In this exercise, we're practicing on creating market object. So we go to the config menu and we need to enable the market class. Since market is associated with the financials, so we expand the financial class and we can enable the market by checking this box. And then we click OK. Next step is to make sure that we create new market object, right click and create new market. And we need to make sure that we have imported all these properties. So we go again to the config menu and expand the market class. Under markets and production, we make sure that we have the price, maximum sales, maximum purchases, and bid-ask spread, and click OK. Next step is to use the table in the exercise slide to add values to these properties. Next, we create new scenario and we call it with market. So right click, add new scenario, and this new scenario will be tagged to the properties. So we go back to the market property and we make sure that we select the scenario with market and tag it for all these properties. Once we're done with this step, we switch over to the simulation tab and we expand on models. We create new model, right click and new market, and we call this base plus market. We need to create membership between this market and the scenario. So we drag this model and drop it to the scenario or vice versa. Since we copied this model, we need to make sure that base plus market has horizon and reporting, and we can copy that from the base and an ST schedule as well. Next step is to execute the model. So right click and execute. Once we're done, we can open the solution and we highlight markets and we select sales, purchases, and prices, and we execute. And now on the data side, we can see all the values for this market in terms of sales, purchases, and prices.